Welcome to Humanities 260, CRN 11538. This is an online class which will meet for 8 weeks, beginning August 23rd, Wednesday, this week. So I'm going to just briefly show you around the D2L website so that you'll see how you will actually do the work in this course. I'm your instructor, Lynn Saul, and I'm very glad to meet you, and I look forward to working with you during this course. So this is the home page that you will see as soon as you click on your course, Humanities 260. And if you will notice, on the right side here, we have news. And this is where there will be announcements of any kind of news information, messages about things that are happening that may be of interest to you, things that I've graded, assignments, and so on. So you'll start out with this Welcome to Humanities 260 message, which basically tells you to watch this video and look at the syllabus and other introductory materials that we have for the course. Below that, there is a message about how this course is now part of the Ethnic, Gender, and Trans-Border Studies program at Pima College, which also will transfer to the universities and their ethnic studies programs. On the left side of the screen, you will see that we have a content browser, a place for any updates that may come in, a link to NetTutor, which is tutoring that is available for you free and online. And so this basically is what will be on the page that you will get when you open Humanities 260 on D2L. At the top of the page, you'll see that we have a number of tabs in what we call the nav bar. So I'll show you what is involved in the nav bar. First of all, content. This is where the basic material for the course is located. And you'll see under course syllabus, a welcome message, this video, the syllabus for the course, very, very important. So if you click on this, you'll actually get the syllabus for the course, and you need to read this over, and it really amounts to a contract for the course. So here, for example, we see how many points you will have for the various assignments in the class and what grade you'll get depending on the total number of points that you have. And please note there is no extra credit to your work as it comes due. Furthermore, students who stop doing the work in the course and don't withdraw themselves by the withdrawal deadline, which is Friday, September 29th, are going to get an F, not a W. If we continue going through the syllabus, there are various college rules. There's a very important bit of information about the content of this course, which deals with 4 different ethnic groups in the United States and issues of race and gender that they face. Also, you will do a great deal of reading and writing in this course, and it's not required, but it's strongly recommended that you have at least taken Writing 101 or Writing 107 before trying to do this course. Otherwise, you're going to probably have trouble with all the writing that is required. Notice this class involves 3 aspects of the humanities: history, literature, and art and music. And you need to understand the difference, and we have several places, including here in the syllabus, where we talk about the different genres that are involved. We're going to be doing individual field trips this semester, and these are a requirement that you go to at least one other place that is related to one of the groups that we're studying. There will be a list of them here on D2L, and there are other activities. Sometimes I'll post things under the news item, and There's a nice quote here from a former student about how useful it is to do these activities. You will file a report that will be worth 100 points. Attendance requirements. I have to submit attendance at least once a week, and it means that you have done something in the course that counts as coursework. Just sending me an email or just logging in is not enough. You have to actually do some work. Then you will get the schedule of work, which actually is the course calendar. So for example, starting today, Wednesday, August 23rd, and going until Saturday, August 26th, this is our introduction. So you need to be reviewing the site, watch this video, submit your greetings and introduction discussion, which is under discussions, and take the Introduction to Humanities 260 quiz, which includes a contract that you've accepted the syllabus. Then we'll move into Native American history, Native American literature, and so on. Please note Tuesday, August 29th is a drop deadline. You can get a partial refund if you drop the course by that date. And then keep going through all the things we'll be doing. Friday, September 29th is the student withdrawal deadline. I hope that none of you will withdraw from the course. I'm here to help you continue successfully in this course. So if you think you're having problems and you're thinking about withdrawing, please get in touch with me by email and we'll discuss it, because there may be a way that we can figure out how you can successfully finish the course. There will be a final project that we'll be doing in this class, and this lets you know what you need to do about that. You'll be doing a proposal by Tuesday, October 3rd, excuse me, for what you want to do, and then later you will be submitting your draft, doing peer review with other students, and then submitting the final project, and that will be at the end of the semester by Monday, October 16th. The field trip reports are due by the 17th, which is the final day of our class. So that is the syllabus in the course. And then also under content, there is a section of helpful hints and course resources. These are just some handouts that can help you. For example, you want to know what the elements of literature are, and that will be important for understanding the literature that we're reading. Enjoying poetry. Some people really like poetry, some people don't. So I think this handout will help you to better enjoy the poetry that we're studying. Appreciating music. Ways to think about music besides I like it, I don't like it. Elements of visual art. Better understand the art that we're studying. You're going to be needing to do discussions where you will submit a 300-word post and then answer in 100-word responses, and this handout can show you how to do that. The exams in this course are essay exams, and so there are 2 handouts here that can help you with that, and so on. Next, we have the units that we will be working on, and each of these units starts out with what amounts to a lecture kind of reading, and then toward the end includes the assignments that you will be doing in each unit, and a lot of other resources as well. So you'll see that for each of the units that we're studying, and then there will be links to the exams. If we come back up to the nav bar, communications includes several very important things. Discussions are the main way that we will be doing our work in this class. And not showing all the discussions at this point, and they need to be added. This will be where there will be a discussion for each unit and each section of the unit. Also under communication, class list and email. You may think that email is what you could use to send emails, but that actually doesn't work that way. So we have a class list here, and if you want to email me or any of the other students in the class, you will come down to our name and check the box, and then at the bottom of the screen, or at the top of it, you can check email. And when you do that, you will get an email message, which you can fill out. Notice that the name of the person that you want to send it to comes under blind carbon copy. Put in a subject line and make sure that you say Humanities 260 CRN 11538 so that I'll know which class you're in. Then you write your message here and you come up and send it, which I'm not going to do at this point. I'm going to cancel. If you come down under email, this is where you can see the emails that you've received. Also, if you come up here to this little email box that shows an email message, if there are emails that have been sent within this class, you'll see them there. If we go back to the nav bar, the next thing is assessments. And here is where you will find the drop box where you will submit your final project proposal and then the final project. Also, this is where you can look at your grades, and all of the assignments in the class will be there, and you will see the grades that you've gotten. Quizzes is where you will take the exams in the course. So the Introduction to Humanities 260 quiz that you're going to take is going to be right there. Rubrics will show you how you will be graded on each of the items that you do, and the way that you see it actually is to preview it, and that will let you see how you will be graded. Under course resources, we have a calendar where you can see all of the activities that you're going to have in this class. So this is important for you to check from time to time. So that basically is how you're going to navigate through this D2L class. So please get started and enjoy yourself. This class is a lot of fun, and I'm really looking forward to doing it with you.